Hello guys, Zulu Airsofter here. As promised, I am bringing you the second part of my Christmas game at UCZ The Bunker. If you haven't watched my last video, I suggest you go back and check that one out, as this one leads on from there. This is a domination game where we need to make sure the flag is our colour in the main mapping room, also known as the pit. Only this time Santa has left us and has been replaced with a disgruntled Airsofter wielding a sword. This Airsofter is playing as a Juggernaut.
Right, can we get down the stairs?
The Juggernaut doesn't belong to any team and can't be killed. If the Juggernaut manages to get you, that's it, you're out of the game. As you can hear, there's lots of panicking about where the Juggernaut is right now.
Jug's that way, careful! Hit! Jug's upstairs.
Seeing how chaotic that central corridor was, two of us decided to try and flank using an alternate tunnel.
Did we both just miss? That's enemy team, that one.
Given all the commotion, I want to be extremely careful entering the pit.
Just watch the hallway, babe.
Corridor! What team? Blue band. Hey! Go! Go get a flag. Go keep it covered. We've got it, haven't we? Oh yeah, we've... We just got to defend it. Oh shit! Hit! Is that for one team? Yeah. Are you blue? What team? This? Yeah. Oh, I'm here. Yeah, blue. Yeah. Blue! Jug. Oh. There goes my sidearm. He got there quick. I'll keep an eye from behind. I'm dead. What, dead?
Although I'd made the Juggernaut duck for cover, I knew I needed to get out of there before he came for me.
Who's that?
Shoot!
I don't know what. Are you a rifle? Yes. You hit me in the mesh mask, and your BB shattered into my skull.
He's on our team. Huh? He's on our team. I know. I was waiting for you to get out of the way.
No! Dead man! Bro! He shot me in the mask, shattered into my mouth.
Well, better your
I had a BB shattered.
mouth in your eye, I suppose. At least this way I can get back into the pit.
We got flag. What colour is it?
It's on blue. Hello. Okay, so if you've got that covered.
I got the green room.
How long we got left?
Currently, how long the game? 4 minutes.
Oh, it's all to play for.
Bang.
Luckily you missed.
Let's have more game! Oh, you're got? Okay, I'm sorry.
You either missed or you didn't hit fire or anything.
Do you think I should have taken that as a hit anyway? Answer in the comments. Now that the Juggernaut's calmed down, he's put his sword away and we can carry on with normal play. We're playing Domination again, but this time every player only has 3 lives and then they have to sit out. Now there's no Juggernaut, we can play much more aggressively and each team can concentrate on each other without invincible players taking them out.
Always when I'm winding, there's a guy behind the box at the end room. He ducked as I fired. Did that get him? I heard someone shout hit, but... Well, that person... I can't see anything at the minute. There was someone there, but I may have hit them. Yeah, go for it. I've got a good spot here, so... Right, they've left the room.
Is that?
Clear.
Right. Hit!
Well, yeah, normally meant to stop one shot and die.
Right, there's nobody there.
That's not walking. I've got flag.
Got him.
I really need to get myself one of those tracer units.
I think we might have them pinned at their spawn.
No bad, no bad.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
While we've got a moment, I just want to point out that I do enjoy a like and subscribe if you think I've done a good job. It really helps motivate me to make my next video. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos, please do check out my channel at Zulu Airsofter.
Yeah, no bans.
Hey, no bad. Pull up.
Yep.
Come up, come up.
Your mark is attached on this.
Yeah, no bad. Get up here.
Wait, what?
Are we capturing? Aren't we capturing the flag?
Yeah, I get that. We see the flag and we see in good position.
Is that a band or a no band? That's Cody, so it's a no band. We've pretty much got them pinned, I think.
It seemed that we were doing so well we were struggling to find enemy players to shoot at. In fact, some players were pushing so far up they were going full circle and coming back round. I think this is what was causing all the friendly kills.
Have a team! We're team! We're team!
Oh,
Come on, Rick.
it wasn't from in here. It must have been from that way.
It's 25 on.
It's a friendly kill, the looks of it.
There's one guy on the line by Hebrew who
Friendly!
They're friendly.
No ban!
They'll mark, we'll killed all of them. I think so.
Nice.
No ban!
No ban! Listen!
No ban!
Marcus, you are dead, sir, you got here.
Yeah, I'm dead now.
Yeah. Have you guys got that?
I got the ban last time on that one.
Oh, well, as well.
It was literally a
So you literally, we can all stay here. The whole team could stay here, cover that corridor, that doorway, and just keep an eye out on the floor. Or not.
I'll keep it covered here.
Yeah.
Turns out the enemy team were regrouping for one last ditch effort.
Just be warned that you've got that doorway and down there as well. We've got a guy here still. There's still 3 of us here. Doorway on the right.
Watch out. Someone down there. Oh, they changed the flag. Shit.
Ah. Right, you go back.
Someone down. Did you get him?
Right, so we need to back up down the stairs then.
I'll cover you. I'll cover you, mate.
No, go.
Hey, shit, go on.
We've won basically. Just waiting for the timer to run out. No bans! No bans!
No bad for me. I got a free roll.
I can't tell what she's saying.
No idea what you said.
Oh, you didn't hear me?
Huh?
Wait, are we the only ones alive?
Yeah.
Are you no bands?
I'm not bad.
Yeah, we're the
Yeah, if you've just done a circuit, then yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're done.
Just don't get too relaxed. Just wait for the timer
That's
to run
it
out.
for now. My next game I'm hopefully going to be at Exeter Activity Centre.
Well, I'm
If
tempted
you want
to
to
get
make
a
sure you
sound
don't miss it,
amplifier for
hit
this
that
one.
notification button.
There we go.
Thanks for watching.
Game over.